So never did I expect to get over 100 YouTube subscribers in less than a month. This is amazing and overwhelming, and I'm excited to keep making videos. I have a few more ideas of videos. I have a running list in my phone of what I want to share about. Shoot, I just broke through. I'm trying to turn a loop because I'm making a dress out of a bed sheet. The dress is basically done. I'm just adding a few details. But yeah, I actually had a question for anyone watching. Feel free to comment your preference. Do you guys like the more like slow-paced day in the life, like follow along type videos, a little bit longer form? Or do you guys like more fast-paced, exciting, like more instant gratification type things, like a project start to finish, or a series at least where you can follow along? And do you like videos where I'm talking a lot, or do you just want like ASMR type or music in the background but me not talking and you're just watching what I'm doing? I don't know. I feel like it depends on the mood for me personally, because I like a range of YouTube styles or like video styles when I'm watching people's stuff on YouTube. But I'm just curious for you guys watching my channel, what do you guys prefer? I would love to know. I would love to know, because I've literally been doing this for not even 3 weeks and I'm having a ton of fun. And I know for sure that you guys don't like music over the top of me talking, which makes total sense. So I've tried to be good about that. I've tried to be good at using a microphone. I'm not using one right now because I feel like I'm right here and this is just a short clip. Yeah, comment and let me know what kind of videos you like to watch.